Maschinenfabrik Reinhausen's FlexNet-EkO project in Germany's Bobritzsch-Hilbbersdorf district showcases a pathway to smarter and greener distribution networks. Working with MITNETZ STROM and local research teams, Maschinenfabrik Reinhausen demonstrated how network operators can incorporate larger shares of renewable energy, stabilize voltage and frequency, and enhance overall grid function. The system combines batteries with power electronic grid coupling and grid-forming inverters to decouple and optimize low-voltage networks. This approach is also faster and cheaper to deploy than network and transmission upgrades, accelerating the adoption of solar, wind, and EVs. The jury commended FlexNet-EkO's intelligent design and its universal potential to help overcome common hurdles to the clean energy transition.